What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, the Unchained Network. Man, I just gotta tell y'all something. Last night, man, I had a scare of a lifetime, man. I thought my channel ended before the damn thing even began. Because got on my laptop last night, and my audio out of my speakers, my sound was white noise, you know. Man, I tried everything. Update the drivers, all that stuff. Uninstall them, reinstall them, yada yada, troubleshooting, bada gang, no bada gang on that one. And then I just reset the whole damn thing, man. Took forever. Had to re-download my stuff. But we back! Baby, we back, baby! Bada gang! Man, what the hell? Hold on, let me fix that. Bada gang! Alright now. So I'm thinking we're gonna do some Mario Kart. I tried to do a video on that, but there was no damn sound. But that sound on this junk, cause I'm looking at it right here. Yay, yay! Alright now. We got some... Where you at, Mario Kart? There you are. Ding! Bring! Okay. Man, they don't make the jams like this in games no more. Bam, bam. I was doing Yoshi last time. I'm gonna go ahead and be Mario this time. Come on, Mario boy. Ah, baby. Yeah, okay. I did the Star Cup last time. Oh, look. It even has it right here. My silver cup. We're gonna do a mushroom cup this time. Come on, baby! Hold on, man. I messed my stuff up, messed my headphones up and all that crap. No, I ain't giving up. Bowser! Man, you pissing me off, Toad. Sorry, bro. Yeah, I used to think like Yoshi was like faster, but like I don't think anybody's actually faster than one another. It's just like they're just different characters, you know what I mean? Aye! Woo! He's like, peace, baby, peace, peace, peace. Yeah, yeah. Come on now. Hey! How do you put that jump behind you? You know what I'm saying? I think I did, okay. Because I thought I hit back A last time. No, how do you throw it in front of you, I think is my question. Oh, there you go. What am I even talking about, yo? Oh, and you know what? I almost forgot. Welcome back to Wake and Bake Classic Gaming Sessions. Number 8. Give me back my first place, man. Stop playing games. Cooper. Last time he was my problem. When I was Yoshi. It's over! Yeah! Flexing on a mother. Beep beep boo doo beep boo 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 boo. Alright, enough of that. Come on now, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, yeah! Bada gang! There we go. Bada gang! Wow, I noticed like how similar Mario Kart 64 level-wise really is to this game. Cause I don't really, I don't think I ever really did like a full playthrough of this game, to be honest with you. Hey! You bahunga? Don't be a bahunga! I don't know what that is, I just made it up. So... it's like idiot, I guess. I don't know. Or a-hole, you know? Hey! Oh yeah, this did come out after Super Mario World. You lucky donkey, Junior. Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow. Then I think this was also in the Star Cup. So I guess we always finish with Bowser's Castle. Or was that always the thing? I just can't remember. They never did the N64 classic, did they? What in the hell? Like, there's no reverse in this game, is there? Come on! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! Damn. 5 laps. Damn, that dude going backwards, man. I said backwards. There you go. Boom, baby, boom, baby. Oh, bada gang, bada gang, bada gang, bada gang. Beep, boo, 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 boo. It's like the first scale of Super Mario. Listen. Yeah. Ah, ah! Alright. What the hell? Well, to get to listen to this jam again, I'm cool with it. Damn it, what am I doing? Bro, Donkey, you ain't doing it, bro. I'll slap the piss out of you. You understand me? I will slap the piss out of you. You understand me, Donkey? I will slap the piss out of you. Not the ish, the piss. You got it? I'm Super Mario, man. And I got a go-kart. I don't know what that means, but hey, man. A plumber with a damn go-kart. And a princess for a girlfriend. And a dragon as a pet that I ride like a horse. We going dragon riding, y'all. All fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. Baby. Lashing on them. There we go. We gotta see the baby. We gotta see Frankenwolf in the background. Excuse me. Look, he got a bottle of champagne with him. Like, yeah. You got your bottle of champagne, brother. Shake it, buddy. That's right. He's like, peace. Deuces, I'm splashing that is. Woo. Alright. It's a little early yet, so what we gonna do here? We're just gonna reset it real quick. So we're gonna go to Donkey Kong real quick, and we're gonna see if we can do the what you call first try. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. First try. Come on now. This again. All right. Oh. Okay, second try. Ah! Damn, man. I'm not satisfied. I ain't satisfied, y'all. I gotta blast through this thing. What the hell? Look, alright, look. I call pre-jumping. You know, I'm jumping before I'm supposed to, because I'm anticipating it. It's like I don't know, man. Calm down. Okay. Okay, let's try something else. Oh, we're talking about Street Fighter. Bada gang. Okay. Hold on. How do you do his damn moves?
Round one, fight!
That shit always cracked me up. Alright, hold on. Quarter, circle, forward? What the hell is that? Hold on. There we go. Hold on. Okay. Down, back, back. This is kick. Down, forward, punch. Okay. Down, back, back. down forward punch. It's down, back, back. Like, what the f? It doesn't work. Yes, sir! Alright, hold on. Yeah, I was always much bigger on Mortal Kombat than Street Fighter, but I definitely had fun with Street Fighter, and I own Street Fighter. Yeah, whatever. Alright. Thank you for joining me on the Unchained Network. I've been Jeffrey. I'm pretty sure. And this has definitely been the Unchained Network. Thank you for joining me. Catch me on the next one. Alright, y'all. Catch me on the next one. Thank you. Take care now. Bye-bye now. Alright? Be safe out there.